Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's again a beautiful day in the city of Istanbul, the city full of surprises. There are plenty of things to do for those who get bored easily in a day without any action.
One of the hottest events of the year is in Istanbul in Turkey today, the launch event of AlphaTauri. Pierre and Albon will be the special guests of the event. We have the team principal of Scuderia AlphaTauri, Mr. Franz Tost.
I am really excited to be here in Istanbul. It's such a fantastic city, and we all are looking forward to the launch of the AlphaTauri.
That's great. We love to have you here. I love to have you here. The city welcome.
Pierre, do you think we could do that in one day?
Wow, what a great view.
Yes, indeed. Is that Galata Bridge?
It looks incredible.
Hey, we lost each other. Alex, where are you?
I'm in Sultan Ahmed, heading towards the antique hippodrome. Pierre, where are you?
In Bosphorus, Arnavutköy. Alex, where are you?
Under the water.
What?
I mean in a tunnel which goes under the water.
At last, we finally meet.
Yep, we're getting close. We need to head to the event.
Copy that, let's go.